job. I've been recording this whole fucking time. It ain't nothing, man. It don't even fucking matter, bro. It don't even fucking matter. Just know I'm fucking pissed off. There's a charger behind me. Somebody fine ass mother in that joint. She look good as shit. Blah 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 blah. I've been cutting this whole fucking time, swimming like shit, bro. So now what I'm finna do is I'm finna just swim through this shit, then just swim back, and then I'm. I like it. She got the forged carbon on that junk, on the hood and shit. I pulled up and I almost fainted. I need something in the military. I'm with some self-control. Keep me out the streets. Hey, yo, this traffic is real trifling, yo. Shit. She about to Kirk too, mama. She hit the brakes when she was about to smash it too. I'm not sitting in this shit neither, yo. See you later, little mama. I didn't even stop recording. I just knew it. And some told me to check. Some told me to check and look. Like, it be shit like that, just stupid shit going on, bro. My life. I'd be like, drop more, bro. It'd be shit like that happening. I'd be going to go home. Look back and wasn't even recording. Somebody take my ass home, bro. It's always some bullshit. Go to the garage. I'm finna take this check engine light off. You just seen it. Well, look at this alarm, bro. I'm not swimming with you, fool. Get away from me, bro. Q60. Jump sweet. Damn. Hurry up before I give you another dent on the side of that motherfucker. Y'all niggas that one bump, it be the old heads. They don't like being tested. thought that was my man's at first. It looks smack like him. And that bitch almost fainted. I just bought me a J92 old hood, another car, gotta get my shit painted. I just bought me a J92 old hood, another car, gotta get my shit painted. Oh shit. That's a Fed. That's one right here too. There's two of them. Alright, that one may not be one. That was a bony ass U-turn, nigga. Almost scraped his wood.